So in this lecture, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can get those rain sounds or those white sounds in the background for your videos. If you guys are trying to make the relaxing sound music channels, you guys, it's pretty simple to do this. All you have to do is go onto a site called Orange Free Sounds. That is the first step. They have all kind of sounds you guys can sign up. It's 100% free. Once you guys get all these sounds, they're non-copyrighted. You don't have to worry about any of these. I'll show you guys how you guys can actually put these in videos and make a lot of money from it. Now, the next thing you guys are going to want to do is get the free stock photos or videos. Simply what you guys can do is just go here and type in rain video, right? You can type in rain video and then these videos will come up. So if you like this one, you can just click this. For this demonstration, I'm just only going to use a picture, but keep in mind they do have videos as well, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and save this picture to my desktop and we're gonna use it in the video, okay? Okay, so now we're back in our editing software and it's just pretty simple from here. If you guys saw me do the TikTok one, this one is gonna be much easier. So you have your sound right here and all you have to do first is drop the image. So we're gonna drop the image. Now you guys, like I said, you can use images or you can use videos. If you wanna have a better quality, higher quality channel, I would definitely use videos, but just for this demonstration, I'm gonna use a photo. So what you guys can do here is if it's not wide enough, they usually should have a tool on your editing software where you can actually just zoom it in and make it wide enough, okay? And now it actually looks like it fits the screen and there's nothing missing. Actually, it's actually still a black piece out here. Let me just get that. Okay, there we go. We got rid of that. Now, all you guys have to do is get the song. Make sure you grab the entire song, drag and drop it. Now, the really cool thing about these rain sounds is most of them are looped. So they'll go on for as long as you want the video to. And if the sound ends, just say for example, like this one ends right here, all you will have to do is just edit, copy, and then paste it. And you can literally just paste it for as long as you want. So if you want a video to be 10 minutes, you could just go up to 10 minutes, just like that. This little gray part is because there's no image there, so I would just delete this, but it's gonna take that away as well. But usually you can just drag it out. There's two ways you can do it. You can drag this all the way out to 10 minutes, right? So you know exactly where you want your song to end. Then you can go back here and then just copy and paste the sound all the way to the 10-minute mark, right? Now, there's so many ways you guys can do this. You can actually do a stream where you live stream this and people just keep coming in over time. I'm sure you guys have been on like YouTube and you've heard like really relaxing music that is streamed like for 24 hours or 24/7. They're always going on. You guys can do that if you wanted to. People make a lot of money from that, but say if you do like a longer video, say you want to do like a 5 to 10 hour video, those videos are really, really good because some people, they put these on while they sleep. So while they're sleeping, you're literally getting paid. And while you're sleeping, you're literally getting paid. So it's just really cool, really easy, you know, really quick tutorial on how you guys can actually do this. Now, as far as the editing software, like I said in the last lecture, you guys, it's up to you to find what works best for you. I don't like to tell people what editing software to use. It's like telling people what kind of phone to buy, you know? So you guys use what's more comfortable for you. I think Final Cut is comfortable for me. I used to use iMovie, but I just wanted to upgrade to a better platform. And a lot of people actually like to use other softwares. Like the best one I believe is Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere is very expensive though. And yeah, if you're just doing editing like this, it's a waste of money. Honestly, you could do this on free editing softwares. I wouldn't even spend a dime to actually do editing like this. But yeah, guys, it's pretty straightforward. You guys can take a listen. You guys can probably hear the rain music in the background. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, if I was to go in and put a whole lot of effort into this and I wanted to make it the best rain video on the platform, I would find a really cool video, something with lights like a city or something, and then I will also find some really relaxing sounds that are very popular amongst people who listen to this type of music. But that does it for this lecture. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, please DM me. I'll be glad to answer your questions. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next lecture.